Well, a very good morning to you, Naledi, and to the viewers back at home. Well, yesterday, what came out of court was interesting revelations from the defense as defense advocate Jayed probed the first witness, Umbuso Ngobo, on how the appointment of the IFS external forensic company came into this entire trial, this court case. And what the court heard was that after the CIU investigation, which is headed by that first witness, commenced, the IFS then came in as an external company to continue the investigation, and they would have done the investigation and then handed over to the Hawks. But the appointment of the IFS, that is now in question. Apparently, what came out of Defense Naidu's probing of the first witness was that the IFS appointment was also irregular in terms of the tender process and getting them to investigate this particular matter, as the company in question still had outstanding cases, investigative cases that were not yet complete, and they were busy with cases regarding some fraud allegations within eThekwini Metro. So Defense Naidu, Advocate Naidu, probing the first witness, Umbuso Ngobo, asking why would they appoint an external forensic company if that company was still busy with work with eThekwini Metro. So today we are going to see whether the first witness will be able to respond on this matter and how the procurement process of that tender took place. Naledi.
Well, Jayed, but just in terms of those concerns of stop-starts, is it looking like the process is well underway now?
Well, last week, Naledi, there was a stop-start. It was actually a stop-start affair. We saw several postponements happening. This was in relation to documents outstanding that the witness had to furnish the defense as well as this court. Then to this week, it has been smooth sailing. There hasn't been any delays. There's just been the question of certain documents that are outstanding, the defense questioning where particulars of those documents were. This is in relation to the forensic report, that internal report that was done by the CIIU. The defense wanted that report furnished to them. Unfortunately, they did not get that report, as we heard in this court, that the report does not exist. So it's going to be very interesting when IFS officials come and take the stand and give their testimony to see how the communication happened between the company, the external company, but as well as the internal company, which is headed by the first witness, Umbuso Ngobo. This is still yet to play out in court. Today, the first witness will continue with his testimony as they continue probing him on the procurement process of that external forensic company.